In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a news channel using InVideo free. We'll go from signing in to generating a polished news-style video, all with the free tools inside InVideo AI. Open your browser and go to ai.invideo.io. On the login page, choose Continue with Google and select your account. This will get you into the app quickly so you can start creating. Once you're in, head to the Workflows area. Workflows are guided setups that automate the heavy lifting for different video types. Use the search bar to look up News Video, then select the News Video workflow. This gives you a structure built for headlines, lower thirds, and dynamic cuts that feel like a real newsroom package. Next, choose where your video will live. If you're making a YouTube video, pick the widescreen 16:9 layout. For TikTok or Shorts, choose vertical 9:16. Getting the format right at the start saves you from awkward reframing later and keeps graphics looking clean. Now provide your topic. Type a clear prompt that describes your story, the key angle, who it's for, and the tone you want. You can also paste links to credible articles or press releases so the tool has context. Stick to trustworthy sources and avoid including any sensitive personal details. Before generating, set the language. Click Language and pick how you want the script and narration delivered, which is helpful if you publish for different regions. Then adjust background music. Choose a track that matches the story's mood and lower the volume so it sits under the voiceover. Around 10 to 20% is usually a good starting point. For serious stories, use neutral, light tension music. For upbeat segments, pick something brighter and more energetic. Next, choose your voice actor. Sample a few voices and pick the tone that fits your brand. Authoritative for hard news or warm and conversational for explainers. Prioritize clarity and steady pacing so viewers can follow complex details without strain. When you're happy with these settings, click Proceed to generate. InVideo will draft the script, assemble visuals, and time narration and music automatically. Watch the preview carefully. If a stat, transition, or pacing feels off, go back, refine your prompt, adjust the voice or music, and regenerate until it feels right. That's the full process. With a solid prompt, the right format, and thoughtful audio choices, you can consistently produce news videos and start building your channel all within InVideo free.